Have you ever come across an error message such as this, and this? Or even this, or this? And you'll be like, oh, what is happening? Oh my God, my boss is on me. What should I do? You need not to worry, my friend, because after showing you how to get rid of these errors, you'll be more comfortable working on your spreadsheet. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the next error we want to look at is the reference error, which is this. This is the next error we want to look at. Now, the reference error occurs when the cell that has been referenced is deleted. Take, for example, I want to calculate the summation of something, then I make reference to a particular cell here. But for some reason, I later deleted this very particular cell. It returns a reference error. That is what the cell is. That is the name of this error. When you move to the side of this error message, this is what it says. Moving or deleting cell caused an invalid cell reference or function is returning reference error. So when I make reference to any particular cell in my formula or so, then later deleted that cell I have referenced earlier, it returns a reference error, which is what we have here as REF. So let's look at what is actually happening here. This is a table of calculating the student cumulative grade point average. Now, these are the list of courses, this is the credit and so other information that is required. Now, to calculate the CGPA, this is what we need to do. We need to calculate our CPE first before we then divide it by 36. Now, let's do it in this very particular cell. We can calculate our CPE in this very particular cell here by saying summation of everything that we have in this range. Close your parentheses and hit enter. We have 165 and our total credits is 36. So our CGPA now can now be calculated. CGPA can now be calculated as the equal sign, which is what we have here, divided by our total credit unit. When I hit enter, it has calculated the CGPA for me. But for some reason, I mistakenly deleted this very particular cell I have referenced. To calculate this, I made reference to what? Cell I21, which is 165 here, before I got this. But for some reason, I now deleted this very particular cell, either consciously or unconsciously. Then my estimation will return a reference error. That's because the cell that I have referenced earlier is now deleted. I hope you understand. So the solution to this is simply to reassign a parameter to that very particular cell I have deleted, to reassign a reference to it. That is to say, in this situation, I will calculate the sum once more again. I will calculate the sum. Sorry, I misspelled the formula. I'll calculate summation once more again. Then I will drag this range to sum them up. Hit enter. Then I'll come down here, double click on my formula. Then I'll cancel these references and make reference to this very particular cell. Then I can now hit enter. Sorry, there's a symbol here which I have not cancelled yet, which is this symbol. Then I reference this cell and then I can hit enter and my calculation is now right. A ref error is simply an error message that is associated with reference of a particular cell. If you estimate any particular cell and you mistakenly deleted it or you moved it, then that very particular error pops up. The possible way to deal with such kind of reference is to reassign another reference or to bring back the cell that has been deleted. I hope you understand.